Hello and welcome to the Financial Modelling Awards ceremony for 2022, hosted by Full Stack Modeler and kicked off by me, Giles Mail. I think this is a great opportunity for us to celebrate some of the success stories from within our industry, to celebrate the teams, the organizations, and the individuals that have stood out in some way, shape, or form. I'd like to start, though, before we get into the awards, by thanking our panel of 5 expert judges. So Ian, Liam, Bill, Heidi, Natalie, thank you so much for giving up some of your time and effort to be a part of this awards process, giving up the time to look through the submissions and pick your winners. And actually, as you'll see in a minute from Bill, for even managing to get a recording into us whilst dealing with Hurricane Ian. So I really appreciate all of your time and effort. Okay, let's not waste any more time listening to me. Congratulations to all of the finalists across our 7 categories, and congratulations in advance to all of our winners.
Hello, my name is Hedie. I've been a financial modeler since about 2010 now, and I'm privileged to be part of the 2022 Financial Modeling Award and to celebrate the financial modeling profession with all of you. With this, I would like to announce the nominees for the 2022 Innovation of the Year Award, and the nominees are the Scenario Platform, Excel World Cup, EMF Pro Excel AD, and last but not least, Professor Edward Bodmer's UDF Parallel Model Technique. Thanks to all the nominees, and I would like to add that the journey to innovation is never ending, and there's always going to be growth, innovation, and improvements. And the winner of the 2022 Financial Modeling Innovation Award is Excel World Cup. Congratulations.
Hey, it's Giles Mail again, and I get the pleasure of announcing the winner and the 4 finalists for the Financial Modeling Trainer of the Year Award. And this, just like the others, was a category with some seriously good nominations. So congratulations to everybody that reached this stage. The 4 finalists for the Financial Modeling Trainer of the Year Award are Alistair Matchett, Victor Ogundele, Shakib Parvez, and Mohit Singh. And I'm delighted to announce that the winner of the Financial Modeling Trainer of the Year Award is Victor Ogundele. So congratulations, Victor, on your win, but also congratulations to the other 3 finalists for reaching this stage. It's a seriously impressive achievement.
Hello there, and welcome to the 2022 Financial Modelling Awards Financial Modelling Resource of the Year category. Now, I specifically asked to present this category as Excel and financial modelling resources is a subject close to my heart. I have taught and educated business professionals for the last 25 years. I'm a real estate financial modelling specialist, having advised and taught investment surveyors, developers and fund managers all over the world ever since the birth of the subject in the late 90s. And I can tell you, if we had all of the resources that we have now back then, it would have been a much better, easier job to do. So I'm thrilled that we have got to this place where we are now in the industry with so many resources we have at our fingertips. I'm also a senior fellow at the University of Cambridge and teach on their MPhils in real estate and real estate finance. But also, I have been involved with the Financial Modelling Awards ever since they were first mooted by Gridlines in 2018. And I am delighted to see that the awards have gone from strength to strength, and us nerds in a very niche space have a place to go and be recognised for the outstanding work that you all do. So, as they say, without further ado, may I present to you the shortlist for the Financial Modelling Resource of the Year category. First is the TikTok sensation, Miss Excel. And I love Miss Excel's videos. I wish I had some of these fresh, fun shorts much earlier in my own career. The industry heavyweight, wallstreetprep.com. And we like Wall Street Prep because they have a ton of free resources on a dedicated page, giving you extra bang for your buck. And the financial modelling specialist, edbodmer.com. Ed Bodmer's site is terrific. It is full of hard to come by Excel models and amazingly all for free. And last but not least, the YouTube star, Layla Garani. Layla Garani is an Excel guru powerhouse with 2 million followers on her YouTube channel and watched by novices and power users alike, something I can personally testify to as well. And now for the winner. The winner is, of the 2022 Financial Modelling Awards, Financial Modelling Resource of the Year is Layla Garani. A very well done to Layla Garani, to the finalists of the Resource Award, Miss Excel, wallstreetprep.com and edbodmer.com, and to everyone who entered. As always, it was a challenge and a joy looking through all the entries and a delight to see so many of the resources available that were difficult to come by only 5 or 10 years ago. Please enter again next year. We love to see how resources have progressed, and you never know, it might be your year. And if you're watching the awards this year and thinking of entering, we're very excited to see what you've got in 2023. All the best and enjoy the rest of the awards.
Hello, I'm Bill Jellin from MrExcel.com. Oh, there were so many great nominations this year for Emerging Financial Modeler of the Year. This award is for modelers who are early in their career and are showing enormous potential in client service, technical ability, problem solving, or innovation. These are individuals who are on the track to be the leaders of the future and make an impact on the profession. The 4 finalists are Gunjan Sharma from TCS Australia, Harry Gross from Operis, Isabel Kippen from PwC, and Gudani Sivabu from the city of Johannesburg. All right, and the winner is Harry Gross. Congratulations, Harry, and thanks to all who participated.
Hi there, it's Ian Schnur. I'm honored to be a judge this year for the Financial Modeling Summit 2022. I'm here to announce the Financial Modeling Team of the Year. Now, quickly, before I get into that, just a little bit about my background so that you know why I'm here. I have been modeling for my entire career. Financial modeling has formed a really critical component of my entire career to date. I started my career as an investment banker. I worked for a number of years at BMO and at Citi, doing a lot of M&A and modeling work there. And then about 20 years ago, in 2002, I started a training company called the Marquis Group. And at Marquis, we run all sorts of training courses. I personally have taught almost 2,000 days of financial modeling training all over the world. More recently, I am the executive director of the Financial Modeling Institute, which is an accreditation organization in financial modeling. We run very rigorous, challenging accreditation exams so that people can prove their modeling skills. So as you can see, financial modeling is and has always been a really critical element to what I do professionally. I am based here in Toronto, Canada. And I believe, I'm not 100% sure, I believe this is the first time that the summit has had a judge in Canada. which makes sense because it's also the first time that the Canadian men's football team will be making an appearance at the World Cup later this year. Well, actually, not really the first. It's the second time. The first time was back in 1986, but most of you probably weren't born yet. So this is your first time to see Canada at the World Cup, and we're excited about that. I guess the real question, the only question we really have is, will we actually score a goal this year? We shall see in a couple of months. Back to the conference. I am pleased, as I said, to be involved, and I want to throw out some congratulations to Giles, Matthew, Taya, and Elena, and the rest of the team at the Financial Modeling Summit. This is an excellent conference. It's great for our community, and it's great to see so many amazing submissions this year. So let me introduce this award. This award is for the Financial Modeling Team of the Year. It's for a team that has excelled in terms of client service, deal flow, challenges that they've overcome, new approaches to modeling, and team member well-being. That's a lot, but we had a number of great candidates, and there are 4 finalists. So let me quickly run through the 4 finalists before I announce the winner. The first finalist is Steer Group, and this is the business and financial modeling team that was nominated. The second finalist is Corporación Multi-Inversiones, CMI, and it's the financial analysis team that was nominated. Our third finalist is Scenario, and it is their client success team that was nominated. And finally, our fourth finalist in this category is ALX Africa, and it's the team that's behind their modeling training program that has been nominated. So now, and the winner is, oh, darn it, I don't have a drum roll. Anyway, I guess we'll have to do without it. But after reviewing 4 tremendous submissions, I am pleased to announce that the winner is Corporación Multi-Inversiones, CMI. So congratulations, CMI, on your outstanding achievement. Congratulations to everyone who took part in the conference. A special congratulations to all of the finalists in this category and to everyone who has helped bring this conference to life in 2022. I hope you have a great year, and we'll see you next year.
Hey, look at me, I'm a parabola. Look, hi, I'm Liam Bastick, Director of Some Product, Microsoft Excel MVP, and someone who has spent over 1/3 of a century building financial models. I'll get it built eventually, I'm sure. Imagine the client bill. Anyway, having authored several books on financial modeling, including the recently published Introduction to Financial Modeling in Power BI, it gives me great pleasure to present the award for the Financial Modeler of the Year, especially as it's spelt with 2 L's rather than 1. Now, the financial modeling community is a passionate one. It's always looking to improve, embrace quantity, quality, and pedantry, and shows a fine eye for attention to detail. In particular, this Financial Modeler of the Year award is presented to an experienced financial modeler who has demonstrated an outstanding commitment to the profession. It's intended to recognise someone who has excelled in client service, technical ability, problem solving, and/or innovation. There are 4 finalists this year. In no particular order, these are Jimmet Early, Mike Flynn, Eugene Lim, and Anura Kushwaha. Now, apologies if I've pronounced anyone's name incorrectly. I'm remarkably good at that, and I do put my name forward for the forthcoming Mispronunciations of the Year award. Or should that be mispronunciations? Anyway, it is quite the achievement to be a finalist, so well done to all those recognised here anyway. But like Highlander, there can be only one winner. Therefore, it gives me great pleasure to announce this year's Financial Modeler of the Year award, a fantastic achievement given it's only October now, who is, drum roll, that's why I can't be a drummer, Jimmet Early. Congratulations, Jimmet. Please don't spend all of your prize money at once, and thank you for all the entries received. Well done to all our finalists, and again, well done, Jimmet. Hi, remember me? It's Liam Bastick again, and I can honestly say I'm at my peak. Get it? Oh, never mind. I have to present twice so that I may apologise for my first appearance. The financial modelling community is a close-knit bunch. Many of the key players know each other well, and we represent our own community with no geographical, social or political boundaries. There's plenty of technical ones though, but that's a story for another day. Many see financial modelling as a rite of passage and simply do that. They just pass through. But some of us stick around, seeking to make it a better environment for the modelling community. This award acknowledges those crazy individuals who can't get enough financial modelling. And I should know, I was lucky enough to be the recipient of the inaugural award last year. This Lifetime Achievement Award will recognise somebody who has consistently served to move the profession forward whilst raising the profile of financial modelling, be it in technical expertise, lecturing, training, authoring, and so on. Personally, I think it's quite the statement if you're a recognised finalist. Talking of which, again, in no particular order, the 4 finalists this year are Edward Bodmer, Danielle Stein-Fairhurst, Richard Ronelid, and Colin Human. As I say, I think it's quite the achievement to be a finalist, so well done to all those recognised here in any case. And so it gives me great pleasure to announce the recipient of the 2022 Lifetime Achievement Award for Financial Modelling. And the winner is, second attempt at a drum roll, Danielle Stein-Fairhurst. Congratulations, Danielle, from one Aussie to another. So thank you for all the entries received. Well done to all our finalists. And again, well done in particular, Danielle. We'll have to meet up, won't we? Get it? Yeah, I think they're telling me to hook off now. That was hook off. Okay.
All right, that's it. We are at the end of the Financial Modelling Awards ceremony for 2022. Thank you to everybody that nominated somebody or nominated an organisation this year. Well done to our finalists. Congratulations to our winners. Thank you once again to our awesome judges, Heidi, Natalie, Liam, Ian, and Bill. Thank you to you for being a part of this summit. We've loved engaging with you over the last couple of days. This would be nothing if we didn't have your support. And there's more to come, but this is really just my chance to sign off with you personally. We've got some podcast sessions coming up with Matthew after this. We've got a closing session with Microsoft. But I would just like to say exactly what I said a year ago at this award ceremony for 2021. And that is to remember to step away from those spreadsheets. Whenever you get the chance, step away from the laptop. There is more to life than a balancing balance sheet, but it's always nice to have one. We'll see you in 2023.